ಉಸಿರಿಗಾಗಿ ಹಸಿರು aims at conserving biodiversity by protecting environment in Bayaluseeme region of Karnataka state. Plantation of various kinds of saplings, including indigenous plants and fruit-bearing saplings in the government lands and made community responsible for their protection. Since the inception of Usirigagi Hasiru in 2015, we, through Usirigagi Hasiru, brought remarkable and considerable changes in preserving green environment. As a result, we have created hundreds of green schools across Bayaluseeme region of Karnataka. Due to COVID-19, millions of people across the world are facing economic crises, and in fact, the people in rural communities are severely affected. The lockdown, which is imposed by the state government and central governments in order to prevent the prevailing pandemic across the country, has created economic hardship among the people depending on daily wages. Indeed, the families of senior citizens, widowed, and people with disabilities in rural communities are facing severe economic burden. In order to support them with necessary food grains for their livelihood, Usirigagi Hasiru, with the support of various individual donors, has made an attempt. A total of 55 desired families of senior citizens, widows, and people with disabilities have selected from remote villages, namely Kottakote and Nallappa Reddipalli of Bagepalli Taluk, Chikbalapur district. Food grain kits consisting of 10 kg rice, 1 liter oil, 1 kg salt, 1 kg jaggery, half kg of turdal, channa, huruli, coriander and sambar powder along with a lemon and drumstick plants were distributed. Ultimately, Usirigagi Hasiru, besides helping the deserved families, we have also motivated them to plant and protect saplings which is being gifted on the event of providing food grains. Volunteers of Usirigagi Hasiru are ensuring that gifted plants are planted well and make follow-up visits to monitor the growth of the sapling in their own villages. By this, Usirigagi Hasiru ensuring the plant and protect of the saplings which is being provided to the villagers as well as the stakeholders who have received the food grain kits. Later, with the support of youth and villagers, we have planted more than 200 saplings in the premises of school, temple and masjid in Kottakote as well as Nallappa Reddipalli. The planted saplings will be protected by the youth in the villages, and members of Usirigagi Hasiru will follow up the growth of the saplings we have planted on the particular day. Usirigagi Hasiru hereby extend our heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Rajashekar and Mr. Shivshankar NG for their support in selecting the deserved families of their own villages and mobilizing the youth of villages to plant the saplings in the various places. Thanks to our donors also for their kind support in providing various kinds of food grains to the needy and deserved families. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, kindly do subscribe